Welcome back to Show Me Down Under unboxing, and I'm going to make a big call right now. The razor inside this box is going to be one of the best razors in my collection. It's huge. It's bigger than Ben-Hur. Oh, it's opening by itself, is it? Yes, don't need the blade. Move that. Oh my God. I'm sure there's nothing else in there. Rightio, so first off I'd like to thank Mickle for allowing me to buy this from him. We'll start with the small piece first. And a lot of you would know Mickle on a lot of the forums. Dylan, another name. And here we have an original Gillette soap. Looks like a big chunk of chalk. Actually, it's still got paper wrapped around it, that silver foil type paper. Yeah, no real scent to it. Made expressly for Gillette. Let's get to the mother load. And don't go anywhere unless you want to pause this and go make a cup of tea or a coffee or get your glasses on. I'm going to say it's one of the biggest unboxings I've ever done. And I'm very, very fortunate to now own this. Rightio, so it's a traveller set, that's correct. Gently. Which way shall I open this? Okay, here we go. Oh my God. Look at that. Get that to this is an aristocrat set. Look how beautiful that is. Almost too scared to touch it. Now there is a crack. There it is. I don't know if we can. There it is there. So that's the only defect of this. This is just amazing stuff. I may have to pull this apart. No, that didn't work out, but try and get some so you can see under the cap. This is just amazing. So get the story correct. Mikkel approached someone who's a family member or a late family member, or maybe they're still alive, collected a lot of stuff directly from Gillette, from the factory, probably worked for them. And Mikkel built up a bit of a rapport with them and was able, oh look at that, this is NOS, full of blades, and Mikkel was able to buy the collection from them. He was able to buy some unicorn Gillettes, stuff that you just can't find on the market. Prototype, aristocrat, just amazing stuff. President, look at that. So someone would have got their initials engraved in there if they'd bought it. I actually don't think this left the factory as a retail piece. So Mikkel got two of these, and one was in just a bit better condition. The razor didn't have a split, and that was the one he kept, which, you know, as you would. That's just so amazing. Focus. I wonder if a machine did this or if this was done by hand. If it was done by hand, that's just crazy stuff. Absolutely amazing. Even the velvet inside is in just a beautiful condition. I haven't seen velvet look good. On the phone here it looks blue, but it's actually purple. Let's put this all away. Let's have a look at this razor one more time. I actually think my collecting days are drawing close to an end, because the stuff I'm after now is just rare to get hold of, and if it's not just too rare, it's also too rare and too expensive. So I'm just really stoked. This is just beautiful stuff. Well, I hope you enjoyed this unboxing video. Ciao for now.